What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my G35. So I customized my interior with a black and burgundy theme a while back, got suede and all that. I still love it, but I've been feeling like it's been missing something. So I hit up Zen Carbon Fiber for a custom steering wheel. Here it is, forged carbon fiber with red flakes all over, paired with the burgundy leather side grips. Even has the matching carbon fiber thumb grips. I love it. The install didn't go as smoothly as I expected though, so this is going to be a long one. Enjoy my struggle. Let's get right into it. Alright, so day number 2 trying. I ran into an issue the other day which prevented me from keeping it going. So this is what I was expecting. So it has like a TT30 little bolt in there, and that's what everyone has. It's supposed to be light on both sides. You can get that out using something like this. And it's got to have like the little indent on the center to make sure it goes around. So if you're unlucky like me, you will have this anti-theft airbag bolt that's by Infiniti and Nissan. Good luck getting that out. So after doing like a lot of research, I tried calling Infiniti dealership to see if they could sell me the tool or let me borrow it, with no luck. I called a couple AutoZones to see if they had like the tool just in stock, if I could borrow it or buy it, but no luck. So I'm out of options. So I'm just gonna cut a little notch into it and just make it like a flathead screw, and hopefully that works. Wish me luck. That thing is so damn tight I couldn't even get it with the flathead screwdriver. So these are the easy out screw extractors for like screws that break or strip. This is my like last effort. I don't know what else to do. It's not going well so far. Yeah, this thing is beyond taking it to the dealership now. I don't think any tool's gonna get that out besides these, hopefully. Remember, counterclockwise. Switch to the other side, and still do it in reverse. Should come right out, hopefully. So I broke off the tip of it, and that's what I have left. Yo, I just drilled through the other side of the fucking screw. Okay, oh my god, I literally just drilled the whole entire screw, and that's how I got it out. Alright, so that's definitely not how you're supposed to use the easy out drill extractor bit thing, but dude, I just drilled out the whole entire screw, like there's no screw left, so I guess that works. This airbag is loose, so let me pop this thing out. Fucking finally! So to disconnect the airbag, you just gotta unplug these two guys, just get a little flathead screwdriver and pop those little black tabs off, and then you can easily pull it off. Okay, well, I did it without taking the black tab off, so maybe you don't need to. I'm pretty sure it's better though. Oh, there you go. So this is how you're supposed to do it. See, I got it under there. Black tab came off and it easily came right out. Okay, other one is kind of forced out, so. And you're gonna transfer this airbag over to the new steering wheel. All right, and then in the center, there's a 19mm bolt holding on the steering wheel. That thing is gonna be nice and tight, so you're gonna need a breaker bar. You're gonna probably want a friend to hold the steering wheel while you try to break the nut loose. So wish me luck. So I somehow managed to get it loose by myself, just holding it with my knees. But the end of the breaker bar almost freaking broke my windshield just like that. When it finally went, it smacked really hard. I'm surprised it didn't break, so be careful of that. Jeez. Make sure to not take the bolt completely off before you knock the steering wheel loose, just in case it pulls and you smack yourself in the face or something. You don't want that. There it is. Just take that bolt out. All right, once you unhook these little airbag wires right here, slide them through. You have no idea how good this feels to take this damn thing off after like, I want to say like 7 hours total of struggling with this. Oh, thank God it's off. So make sure that this clock spring is straight how you had it when you took the steering wheel off. And I just made sure that this goes straight down and this is straight up right in the center, so that's super easy. Oh, I cannot wait to get this thing on. Yes. Even comes with this cool decal sticker. It's in carbon fiber. I'll probably slap that on my window, why not? Thing's sick. There it is, right before I put in the old G35. Can't freaking wait, oh my God. Damn, this matches my bumper so well, the red accents, hell yeah. Damn. All right, so I'm making sure that this is perfectly straight before I put it on, because that was like kind of lopsided. I don't want that. There you go. Now you're gonna want to get that 19mm bolt. Throw that on in there with the fingers, and then get the last little bit with the ratchet. Make sure you're not freaking ratcheting on the steering wheel. Don't want to scratch the new thing. Got the breaker bar to finish the job, make it sure it's nice and tight. Oh yeah, that shit ain't going nowhere. All right, I'm like so stoked that they did these like buttons in the forged carbon fiber also. That's like such a nice extra touch. And these like little thumb grips, paid a little bit extra for that, but man, I do not regret it. That looks freaking dope, those little accents. Look how all these like red flakes pop in the light. Oh my God. Looks way better in the sunlight, but damn, look at that. That forged carbon fiber is so freaking dope. Holy crap. With the red flakes too, that like really like puts on next level. Man, dude, this thing freaking pops. Oh, good this looks. All right, so make sure to reconnect this electrical harness. So it's in. It's also good to note that those screws are holding on right here, right there. So that's what holds on the airbag, and that's the screw that I was like struggling on for so many hours. All right, so obviously orange to orange, yellow to yellow. And once you plug them in, you want to press the little black tab in to lock it. Just like so. Wow. Wow, dude. Look at that. Oh, looks freaking beautiful with the airbag all complete. So this is that TT30 bolt that was on the right side holding it on. And then this is just another one I had laying around. It's the same thread and it's the same length basically. And I can just use a Phillips screwdriver or a ratchet. So that's so much easier than that stupid security bolt. Alright, so I ended up using this little like push pin because the screw I had actually didn't fit like I thought it would. So that'll do the trick. I mean, it's not quite as tight as the other one, but it's tight enough. And this thing ain't going nowhere. See? Plus, this will be so easy to take out if I ever need to compared to that other damn screw. Alright, well, I'm trying the controls right now. Volume up is like not really working. Although, what the hell? I just did down and it went up. But Seek Track works just fine. So recently I installed a double-din stereo to my car, and I also installed a SWI-RC pack audio steering wheel interface to allow me to still use my volume controls and Seek Track, and I had spent hell hours like programming that. So the buttons on the new steering wheel aren't working properly for the volume, so I don't want to just eliminate those hours of work I did before while I installed the steering wheel interface. So I'm just going to switch out the buttons. Kind of a pain in the ass to take the steering wheel off again, but it's worth it in my opinion. Alright, so to take these buttons off, you're going to have to remove these two T40 bolts. Alright, so there's little plastic tabs right there, and then these ones right there and there. You just pull those up, and then this comes right out. Alright, so when I was pulling the airbag off again, I pulled it too fast and I just freaking obliterated these. So I just went to the junkyard, found a couple of these, had to pull off a couple more steering wheels. Luckily they didn't have that security bolt, so I'm about to just cut the wires and solder them together so I can connect the airbag again. Alright, so these are the new airbag connectors I got from the junkyard. I just cut them up and then spliced them into the existing wires. This is my little soldering station in here. Just solder them together. Alright, got the new airbag connectors all soldered and taped together. Good to go. Alright, so got it back on. The seat track works perfectly, up and down. Volume up works perfect. But I will say volume down doesn't seem to be working. It seems to be going up also, so I'm over it. That's good enough for now. Hey, but at least I don't have a airbag light on, so at least I did that solder correctly. So that's a win. Alright, now that I've been driving around with this new steering wheel for the last few days, I gotta say, I freaking love all the little new grip points that they have. They like make all these little cuts and edges and corners and angles all over. But it's not overdone, it's just like in the perfect spots. It feels so good. It even has like little finger grips on the top right here. I love it. I feel like I need to get like some fancy driver's gloves or something made out of suede or leather just to be driving around with this new carbon fiber wheel. And that's a wrap for the carbon fiber steering wheel video. Hopefully you guys don't go through as much struggle as I did. If you don't have that security bolt, it's going to be a piece of cake, like hour and a half tops, no problem. I did go to the junkyard yesterday to get those airbag connectors, and I pulled off 3 different steering wheels like super quick because it didn't have the security bolt, so no worries if you don't have it. But if you do have it, good luck, and hopefully you learned from my struggle. Anyways, give this video a like, comment, please subscribe, follow your boy on Instagram at DonnieBowDangles. See you guys later.